This me and today I'll show you loads of my burping. Let's go.
This is how it shouldn't. Luckily, an octopus is on hand to save the camera.
Okay, don't worry everyone. I got the camera.
The producer of ITV's breakfast show heads into work just in time to catch the last 10 minutes.
Hi everyone, I'm here. How'd it go? Huh?
Yes, he's a terrible timekeeper, but ever so popular with the staff. J-Lo and Jim Carrey on the set of their new movie, The Rebecca Adlington Story, in which J-Lo plays Adlington and Carrey plays Tom Daly. This scene depicts the day Tom saved Rebecca from drowning when cramps hit in when she didn't leave an hour before going swimming after a large Mexican. That's a Mexican meal, not a Mexican man. Not sure what this game's called, but it's a Boxing Day tradition on the Isle of Shetland. Oh, if only Hitler had found a similar outlet for his frustration.
And that's it. Bye.